What is up, guys? It's been a minute since I recorded a video because life has been crazy, but we have a little episode today. We got a cool little part for the car. It's carbon fiber, so another carbon fiber video. We're gonna just wash the car and install it today. All right, guys, first off, you can look over here. We got some new shoes, some new kicks. Feel me? And check this out, guys. This is nice. Let's check it out in the sun. Beautiful. It's been bothering me for so long. Might as well get a good clean under there. Yep. These are carbon right here as well. It was cheap. It goes like that, yeah. It goes like that, and then the roof vane across. So actually, I will have to be drilling into my car. I'm kind of nervous about that. So yeah, that's what I'm saying. This might be a 2-day episode because yes, we're drilling into the car. Guys, we forgot the most important part in any car part. As everyone knows, the stickers. Fuck everything else, we got the stickers. Alright, boys, we got her all washed up. Nice and shiny. Looking beautiful. You guys can tell that glare is gone now because we did get an upgrade on the phone now. Let me get the matte blue, how it shines. Beautiful. But yeah, we got her all cleaned up now. So we're going to go ahead and check this out, guys. We're gonna unbox something for you. Got a cool little hoodie. If you guys are fans of anime, Demon Slayer, got this very cool hoodie. Nice packaging. This is my first time getting a hoodie from this brand. Little paper. So let's check out this quality. So it's just a black hoodie, but then the sleeve is all stitched. It's all woven. It's pretty cool, guys. It's looking really nice. I want to see the quality on this. And it's just like that. I did go to Home Depot real quick to run for some hardware. I'll show you guys. I'm gonna have to drill into the car to install the roof vane. These are the sizes I got. I got 2-inch and then I got the 3. I got both to see which one was fit the best because I don't need it too long where it's a lot hanging, and then maybe the 2-inch is just enough. So yeah, we got these 2 sizes right here, 1/4 20, and then we got the screwdriver head, so it just makes it easier instead of having to get that ratchet. And then we did get these washers in 1/4 as well. So first things first, if you guys don't know, this is gonna look like this, right? This is where you're gonna be drilling those holes. You can see them right here. They're like almost made to be there. They just don't put it. So this is gonna be unscrewed, so you can take it apart like this, just like I did with this one. And to do that, why you do that is because you're gonna have these 2 right here, and they're gonna be drilled, not drilled, but it comes with the hardware right here. You're just gonna want to screw those in. All right, guys, so just your normal screwdriver, and with this one you're just gonna screw it in like that, with this going in that way. This is an RPG product, by the way. I will link it down in the description if you guys are interested. Same thing over here. And you don't want to put these too tight, and then you want to screw them in with even pressure on both sides. Don't tie in one side more than the other before when you're installing it. So yeah, it just goes in like that, and then from the inside you just screw it in right there, and that's it. So since you're drilling into the quarter panel, it's going to be a size socket 15. You're just going to want to take out the seat belt, and you're going to want to pop out this guy right here, just like we did when we did the headliner. That, and then we should be able to pop this guy off now. This guy is kind of a pain to get back in, but you won't need to remove it. All right, guys, so we're gonna be drilling in where you see these two like almost circle things right here, the holes. We're gonna try to get it right in the center. We're gonna be drilling from the carbon in here out that way. That's how I'm gonna be drilling it. And we're gonna have these right here. We're gonna start very thin and just keep going bigger and bigger until we get to 1/4. That's the drill. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing. So we drilled the holes now. It went pretty smoothly. Just make sure to take your time and don't push too hard. Don't put too much pressure because you don't want to crack or break this. So just take your time with it. So this is what it looks without the cover. With the cover, it'll look much nicer. But so we're gonna have to get it lined up from this to the top of the liner right here. We got all these done now. This is big enough to screw the 1/4 in. So this is good now for tomorrow. All we got to do now is line it up and just drill into the car itself, and then put in those screws and then put in the cover, and then that should be it for the install. So actually I'm back. I just wanted to record it with the cover to show you guys how clean it looks. Very aggressive. That little like spike it has. This is how I have it laid out. We put tape on each side, making sure it's even, and we're gonna measure it with the measuring tape in a bit, make sure everything's even. Really getting a general consensus. We're trying to get this corner lined up with the line like that, so you can see that. So we did measure it. My dad's helping out. We measured both sides. It was pretty even. We got both holes drilled in there, as you can see. Okay, so we got all the bolts in on both sides. Now we're just gonna put the covers on. I did end up switching to these. My dad had these. They're waterproof, so it seals it. This is the final product, guys. It's not the most perfect, but it's pretty good. You can tell, like, you know, it's nothing perfect where the gaps are completely gone and it's completely sealed, but it's good enough for me, and I'm happy with the results and how it looks. Let me show you guys the other side. Again, not perfect, but for me, this is good. This is very good. I'm happy with this. Obviously, you know, you're drilling into your car. Some people might want it perfect. I would recommend going to a shop for that. Like, this is the biggest problem for me, is this right here. We should have pulled this when drilling into the car. We should have pulled it with the cap. But it was just hard. But yeah, that's probably the biggest concern that I have. I might have to just put some sealant here. Yeah, this is the biggest concern right here. We might have to put some silicone. No, not a big deal. Yeah, it would be nice if that gap was closed, but I'm happy with it. I'm happy with the install and how it looks. It's not crooked or anything either. Here's a little walk around on more of a flat surface. It looks nice. I like it, guys. I like it a lot. It's very nice. What do you guys think? What's up, guys? We're back a couple days later. I just wanted to give you my review on the product. So I'm sure if you go to a shop, you could get much better fitment with this. But as you can see, there's little gaps. It's nothing perfect. I'm happy with it. Really just all depends how you want to get it done. I'm not a professional with this. Obviously, it could have came out much better if I would have went to shop or had someone else do it that does body work like this and stuff. So yeah, has little gaps with the covers, but for the most part, I'm just happy that this is even. It looks straight from the back. I'll show you guys. It's in a spot where I like it. So yeah, the biggest issue that I messed up on, it's not the product, guys, it's really just how you get it on. There's a gap on this side as well, you can see. But the biggest issue that I ran into, you can see there's a little gap right there too as well. So yeah, was, you can see right there too, it's like not perfect, but from a bird's eye view, it's good enough for me. I'm happy with it. This is the biggest flaw right here for me that I messed up on. We could have just extended this out more with the thing, but yeah, that's my own fault. But for the most part, I'm really happy with it. There it is for you guys. Yeah, that's my review on the product. I can leave the link down on my side skirts popping off. But yeah, guys, that's the install. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Late.